Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, June 16th. John from Popeye's Postcards. I've been selling postcards on eBay for 28 years. Retired, and this is my full-time gig now. Let me see. Yesterday was much improved, which when you're at the bottom, not much other ways to go but up. So yesterday was 128. I'm off to 53 this morning, 11 orders for 204. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling these orders. Before I get into pulling orders, the thumbnail, I was revising an auction listing this morning and hit submit after I revised what I wanted to fix. And there was a pop-up that I had never seen before. And it was something about that eBay will send offers to buyers on your behalf. And I hadn't seen it before, and I'm trying to replicate it. I just tried here a minute ago and I couldn't replicate it. I want to see if this happens. If not, I'll just show you the screen grab I got from that and see if anybody else has seen this. So I don't put best offer on my auctions. I didn't pass it over, did I? I don't put best offer on my auctions. And for my regular items, I do not I put best offer on, but I have a limit. Now I can't even find offer. I must have passed up. Okay, right here. Allow offers. Offers. I don't allow offers on auctions. So when I hit submit earlier this morning, this pop-up came up. And like I said, can't replicate it. So it's not replicating. So let me show you the pop-up. This is the pop-up I got. To improve your chances of selling, we may send you offers from buyer that you can choose to accept or decline. No information, then it goes on to talk about funds availability. Has anybody seen this? Am I smoking crack and then imagine this? But to me, if I don't have offers on an item, how is eBay, or why is eBay telling me how to run my business by sending me offers on items I don't want offers on? But again, has anybody seen this? Is this new? I went through all of eBay's policy about offers, and I found no mention that they will send you offers on items that you don't want offers on. Maybe I'm just crazy. Please let me know in the comments below. I mean, I know I'm crazy, but please let me know in the comments below if you've seen this. Is this new? Your thoughts on eBay telling us how to run our business by sending us offers we don't want. No. I wish I could replicate it to show you, but at least I got the screen grab. Got a scenic greetings from Blue Knob, Pennsylvania. That is a small little area, Pennsylvania. Great skiing. Let's see if I can find this card. Aw. Look at a cute puppies. Why hasn't that sold? Just listed, must just be listed. Or as eBay says, my prices are way too high. So yeah, I was just curious about that offers thing. I was not in a pissy mood anyway, just because, oh my God, I've just been inundated with dumb questions from buyers, and I should probably not be eBaying today, but we're going to power through. So yeah, I am real curious. I was thinking about contacting eBay about that pop-up, but then I lost interest. But it was okay, just curious. I don't like to be told how to run my business. Now I know there's parameters and all that stuff that eBay makes you play by, but forcing offers upon me. And there was something else eBay had done one time, pretty much telling me how to run my business, and now I can't remember exactly what that was. Boy, I'm never going to get invited to eBay Live now. I had set up 3 private listings yesterday. This one, they wanted 3 real photos, hand-tinted real photos of geishas. And I deleted, what I do is I end the listings, set up the privates listing, keep the unlisted items just in case the private listing falls through, and I can relist them. I think I got them, but I deleted the listings before I pulled them, and luckily I found them. I had to pull it from the message, but that was almost dumb on my part. I was trying to go through 46,000 items to find 3 postcards, but pretty cool. Real photo tinted geisha, $18 each. Actually, I gave them a little bit. I gave them an extra couple dollars off because they bought all 3 of them. And going to Germany. That was a nice 50 some odd dollar order. Says it's right there, $50. So there's that order. Getting a lot of those messages that have been pissing me off. A lot of them are shipping related, and it's just the USPS just is so horrible right now. It is taking 3 weeks. I'm seeing it more and more right on top. Lucky days. I'm seeing it more and more that these mailers are taking 3+ weeks to get places, and everybody's just dumbfounded. It takes 3 days for a letter. No, not in these days and ages. It's 3 weeks. I mean, are they? I don't know. Are they living under a rock, or they just magically gotten all their mail in 3 days? I haven't got mail quickly forever. I send out bill pays for my mother, who's in an assisted living facility, and I build in a week and a half for payment to make sure it arrives a week and a half before it's due. And there's stuff that's still a week late. It's that. Are you sure you sent it to the right address? Also, it's like, yeah, so I save all my labels and I send them a copy of the label. I ship to the address that is automatically populated that you put into eBay. Yes, I shipped it. What was the other one? Do you know when it's going to be delivered? Yeah, when you stop asking stupid questions about delivery, that's when USPS is going to deliver it. But Einars are being opened. So it's horrible. Not huge money. Gave them 40% off, but there's a private order with 5 airplane postcards. Another private order. That one's going to Germany also with 6 airplane postcards. Captain Frank's Seafood House Donkey Cart B21. I did get from a while back that person who was using an international mailbox in Miami. I explained that I'd sent it and it was out for delivery, and they claim they never got it. And I'm like, well, I'm not giving you your money back right now. I'm going to send you another one, because it was an airplane card and I have hundreds of copies. I keep the labels, so it cost me really a penny and a half, 2 pennies with the mailer to resend it. And I'm thinking scammer. It's they waited till like the very last moment before eBay was going to close the case for no action, no movement or whatever. And so I went ahead and refunded him, told him that his mailbox, it's a mailbox, global box out of Miami, and something fishy going on down there, because the second one was also out for delivery. Now again, it was eBay standard envelope, So sometimes they don't get that final delivered scan, but I gave him my little review. So if you see anything with an address, what it'll be the buyer's name and then like a GB and a number, and you send it to this place. They throw it in his mailbox, and I imagine then they forward it to whatever country he is in, which he's registered in the United States. That shouldn't be permitted. But anyway, so if you see an 8578 Northwest 70th Street, Miami, be careful. Bad reviews. People were saying that it's been delivered, but not delivered. Luckily, mine was only a $4 postcard. Some of these people, $1,700. So there's like, I don't know if it's a scam. This is just me, my personal experience. It just seems fishy that maybe people are, actually receive it, but maybe somehow it's not being marked delivered, but they're actually getting the item and forwarding on to people. And then the people are like, oh, hey, I got the item, but it never shows delivered. So, I'm going to get my money back too. So it was a lot of these 1 stars. People pretty much the same thing that's going on with me. So when I was going back and forth with him and said, I think they're stealing mail from you. And he's like, all my other stuff has arrived. But when you look at his feedback, he's left negatives and called people scammers because the items weren't delivered. So be wary. Global Box, Miami. Just be wary of that. He hasn't left any feedback for me, positive, negative, neutral. Given his track record, I would not put it past him to leave me some type of non-positive feedback. If that happens, I'll try to fight it. I'll probably share his information on that one because I think he's a scammer. So what's this? Trade card with some corners missing. Did I grab the right one? I can feel it here in the back. So yeah, I just refunded and moved on. Maybe I should have done that in the beginning, but I wanted to at least try to get him one that only cost me 2 pennies and not refunding everything. But a bunch of scammers out there trying to get free shit. Okay. So there's that. Missing corners and everything. And I need to top load that one. Okay, I'll do a refresh. If anything else came in. Nothing else came in. So yeah, let me know below if you've seen that pop up for eBay sending offers that you don't want. So, thanks. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. Again, members, maybe tomorrow is what I'm thinking about for the unboxing, and I'll worry about that tomorrow. So y'all have a great day. I'm going to go do something other than eBay today. Bye.